Okay, boys and girls, if you ever are not sure where I'm getting these problems from, and you're absent on a day, you can always read this problem to do up here, okay? Because those words are basically what I'm reading. Alright, so the problem today says, there are 74 books in Mr. Barron's classroom. 19 of the books are about computers. How many books are not about computers? So there are 74 books, right? Yeah. 19 are about computers. We want to know how many are not about computers. So if 19 of them are about, we're going to subtract those 19 so we can see how many are not. Okay, tell me how to do this. Isaac.
Cross out the 4 and cross out the 7.
Okay, can you tell me why I'm crossing out the 4?
Because the big number is down and the 4 is up.
Yeah, so you can't take 9 away from 4, can you? No, if you only have 4, you don't have enough to take away 9. Okay, so yes, so we have to go bottom. So we're going to cross out the 4 and cross out the 7, but now tell me what do I do if I cross them out? I have to make a new number, only.
The 4 needs to be 14.
And?
The 7 needs to be a 6.
Yes, we are taking 1 away from the 10 to make it 6 tens, and now we're going to give 1 of that 10 to the 4, which will make it 14. 14 minus 9. Jason? 5, you guys agree? Okay. 6 minus 1. Grayson?
5.
You guys agree?
Yes.
Yes. Now, 555 what?
4.
About?
Computer.
Not about computers. Now we'll just say 55 books. Okay? And when you have that, turn your page. That's right.
Oh.
Okay. Read the story problem with me, please. Carmen had 50 game cards. Then she gave 16 game cards to Theo. How many game cards does Carmen have now? Okay, step 1. You see the 0 minus 6. Can you take 6 away from 0? No, if you don't have any cookies, can I eat any of your cookies? No, you don't even have any. So we're going to have to borrow. So we come over to the 5, or cross out the 5 and the 0. We borrow 10 from the 5, which is, it was 50. Borrowing 10 would make it now 40, so we put a 4 on top. And then that would make 0. You're giving 10 to 0, which is 10. Okay, 10 minus 6 is, everyone? 4. Now 4 minus 3 is, or 4 minus 1 is? 3. Okay, so we got 34, right? Okay, now I'm going to look ahead. Let's do the hot problem together before you start on showing on your own. Write the missing numbers in the subtraction problem. The regrouping for each problem is shown. Okay, boys and girls, if this is 15, what should the number be? What would it have been before we turned it into a 15? A 5. So we're going to make a 5, but we're going to cross it out, okay? And then if it's now 6 on the 10s, what was it before it became 6? Jason? 7. But we're going to cross it out too. Okay. All right. Now, 15 minus what equals 7? 15 minus what equals 7? Jaren? 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. And then 6 minus what is 4? Xander?
2.
Yes, 6 minus 2 is 4. There we go, 75 and 28. That was the original problem, 75 minus 28. Okay. Now, the next one. This was 13, or this is now 13. What was it before then? It was 3. But we're going to write it, and then we're going to do what?
Cross it out.
Okay. If 7 is the number now, what was it before 7? Kinley?
8.
8. You can write it and then cross it out. Now, 13 minus what is 5? Ivan?
8.
Yes, 13 minus 8 is 5. 7 minus what is 2? Ina? 7? Yes, 7 minus 5 is 2. 83 minus. That's 83 minus 58. Not too bad? Okay, next problem. Oh, Mitch had the checkpoint. This means that you should be able to do this on your own. Okay? So boys and girls, you can do 34 minus 8. Find 34 and subtract 8. 45 minus 17 will be harder. But you need to remember, when you jump back 10, if we're going back 10 from 45, how much is that? Remember that the ones place is always the same. 45 minus 10, and we're counting.
So when you jump in the bed,
No. When you do 17, I would break apart the 17 into 10 and 7. Okay, so go to 45 and jump back 10. But what's jumping back 10? 35. What's 10 more? 25. 10 more. 15. 10 more. 5. Right? Remember, when you jump, your ones are always the same. These just go up or down, depending on if you're adding or are you subtracting. And right now we're subtracting, so we're going to littler numbers. Okay? That's only when you subtract by 10. Okay? Only when you subtract by 10. So you can go from 45 and subtract 10 to 35 and then subtract 7 more because it's 10 and 7. Alright? You guys should be able to do the rest of this on your own. Remember, you don't do these. Okay? Alright. I'm going to get you a partner so you